In this video, I will introduce to you the single-phase microinverter of APsystems. The APsystems microinverter offers advantages in safety, efficiency, intelligence, and high reliability. In the APsystems microinverter system, there is no voltage accumulation between solar panels, and the DC voltage remains below 120 V. This design minimizes safety hazards from high-voltage DC arcing and allows for safe rescue operations by preventing high DC voltage on rooftops during a house fire. With ultra-high precision MPPT tracking, it effectively addresses the wooden buckets theory in conventional power stations, enabling each module operates at maximum output, which boosts system power generation by 5 to 25%. The EMA system provides module-level intelligent monitoring, enabling quick fault detection and easier maintenance while reducing operational costs. Designed for a 25-year lifespan, to 3 times longer than regular inverters, the inverter is encapsulated for dustproof and waterproof protection with glue injection, and has an IP67 rating. Next, let's introduce the single-phase inverter. The DS series includes the DS3 and DS3D, are both single-phase dual-input microinverters with independent MPPT for each input, ensuring optimized power output. With a single mounting hole, the inverters are easy to install. Zigbee is used for the communication between the ECU and the inverters. There are 3 ways of grounding. Y3 AC bus cable has an embedded PE wire. The ground bracket is connected to the ground wire. Puncture the grounding washer to attach to the photovoltaic bracket securely. Among them, DS3 has a maximum DC input voltage of 60 V, a maximum DC input current of 20 A, a maximum output power of 1050 VA, rated output current of 4.4 A, and conversion efficiency of 97.3%. In contrast, the maximum DC input voltage of DS3D is 120 V, the maximum DC input current is 20 A, the maximum output power can reach 2000 VA, rated output current is 9 A, and conversion efficiency is 97%. Please note, DS3 LV adapts to the grid voltage of about 120 V. Another series is Easy Series, includes Easy 1 and Easy 1D. Both are single-phase dual-channel microinverters with independent MPPT for each input. They feature a single mounting hole for easy installation and support Wi-Fi plus Bluetooth dual communication, which can be directly connected and visible through the Easy Power mobile app. They are user-friendly, plug-and-play, and are designed specifically for DIY balcony photovoltaic systems. Easy Series also has 3 ways of grounding. The maximum DC input voltage of Easy 1 is 60 V, the maximum DC input current is 20 A, the maximum output power can reach 960 VA, the rated output current is 4.2 A, and the conversion efficiency reaches 97.3%. In contrast, the maximum DC input voltage of Easy 1D is 120 V, the maximum DC input current is 20 A, the maximum output power can reach 2000 VA, the rated output current is 9 A, and the conversion rate reaches 97%. Please note Easy 1 LV adapts to a grid voltage of about 120 V. This is all the single-phase inverter products of APsystems.